Hello everyone, welcome to GEPL Capital Pro Market. Today we are going to see how to add or modify the user details from our GEPL Pro Market app. In order to do that, request you to log in with your client ID, your password and the OTP. After logging in, request you to go to your client ID option. After selecting that, request you to click on add or modify. It will take you to another page. Once it has taken you to another page, you can see all the modification options that are provided to you. Your phone number, your email ID, your address. You can also see your active and inactive segments. You can also add your bank detail accounts, make them primary. You can also opt in nominee and opt out nominee. And you can also do your account closure. Thank you for joining us.